Hey guys, so today I would like to show you how I like to eat my rice, and this recipe is flat tummy approved. This was my belly the day after I ate this entire bowl of rice. And if you want this and many other high carb, low fat, vegan and raw vegan recipes for free, then send me a DM over on Instagram or Facebook and I will send you my brand new Flat Tummy Feast cookbook over for free. But now let's get into the recipe. So I like to use whatever this thing from IKEA is called to steam my vegetables. But if you don't have it, then you can also either use a metal sieve or you can cook or boil your vegetables in some water or saute them in a pan. Please, if you want to lose weight though, just don't use any oil, but just saute them in water. Add a lid to the pan and then you can steam them in the pan. But yeah, I like to use this because it also retains more nutrients. And yeah, I also like to add pineapple into the whole mixture because it gives the whole meal kind of that sweetness and that a little bit sourness. And I also like to add sweet potatoes and beetroot. And I also usually add either celery and or celeriac to my cooked meals because I most of the time don't add any sort of salt to my meals, so that's what I like to use to get my sodium and to give it that nice salty taste because I don't like bland and boring food, and I'm sure you don't like either, so this is a nice hack. And sodium makes us retain water, which makes us look puffy. Of course, if you don't go overboard with it and you exercise regularly, it won't really be any big deal, but yeah. And I also like to use this rice, but now actually I started to steam also my rice in the steamer because I only have this one cooking field. I don't have several ones. So yeah, but now I started steaming, so I'll give an update on how I'm now doing it. But yeah. Rice is done. The pots are cleaned. Let's give it a taste test. Still a bit hot. It's so good. Seriously, such a nice combo. I'm gonna whip out this entire bowl now and I'll maybe see you in my next video. And again, if you want this and many other recipes, then shoot me a DM on Instagram or Facebook with the word delicious.